We are going to look at the Pages feature in Canvas. And this is something that will really help you organize your course by putting your content into Pages versus just uploading files or documents for the students to download. Pages puts the content into a really nice readable view for the students that gives them the best experience in Canvas, whether they're on a computer or on their mobile app. We'll look at 3 different things to do with Pages, including putting a handout, lecture notes, and video. The first thing we'll start with is lecture notes. You can see that I already have some pages within here. So I've clicked on Pages on the left side menu, and I'll go up to the top right and click plus page. So here I'll go ahead and put in some accessibility notes. And I'm just going to paste them in. I had them in another document. And you can see that everything's in here. There are some links, etc. So the last thing I want to do once I've gotten the content in here is I just want to make sure if I have any headers, which I don't, but I'll go ahead and put a header in, that I choose header text, and that anything else that I've selected is paragraph text. So once that is in there, I want to make sure I run the check accessibility feature and make sure I have no issues detected. Sometimes if you do end up with an issue, like in this case I have a list in here, sometimes the accessibility checker will offer to fix those things for you, and that's a really nice feature. So I'll go ahead and click Save and Publish, and then you can see all of the content is here on the page. It's easier for the students to read versus having to download a PDF or a document. The next thing I want to show you how to do with Pages is embed a video. So in this case, I'll go ahead and click plus page, and I'm going to use our Canva video as an example. And here, I'm going to show you how to embed a video from YouTube. There are other sources you can embed. So quickly, if all I want here is the video, I want to switch over from the HTML editor to the rich content editor. And then I want to find the video that I want to use. So this can be your video or it can be any video. Just make sure if you are putting the video content that it is captioned properly. So from here, I will go ahead and click Share. And I want to choose Embed. And basically I just want to copy this code right here. I don't need to know how to code anything. I just need to know how to copy it. So I can actually click the copy button right there. Go back to Canvas and Control or Command V to paste it into the rich content editor. Click back to the HTML editor and go ahead and save and publish. And now when the students go to this page, they're able to watch the video straight through Canvas, which is nice. Obviously, this is a quick video. They can choose to go to YouTube, but I find that this sort of keeps them in the Canvas environment versus having them go out to YouTube and potentially get distracted there. The last type of page that I want to create is one for a handout. So I'll go ahead and create a new page, and I'll do a checklist handout. The document that I intend to put in here I have already preloaded into my files over here on the right. So you can do upload a new file if you're just going to get that file. Going to go into Microsoft Word for just a minute to show you the checklist that I'm uploading here, and also show you that this document has run through Microsoft Word's accessibility checker and has no accessibility issues found. So that's critical if you choose to put a handout directly in here. So I can go ahead now and click into the HTML editor box and locate my file, and I'll put it here. And it basically provides a link to that file, and I can click Save and Publish. Often I will go ahead and put the file here so that students can download it, and then I might also opt to copy and paste that content. So if I come over here and select and copy the entire document and then paste it in, now I have both the downloadable version for students and the visible version that will be nicely readable within the Canvas environment and the app. And click Save and Publish. And I can also view that handout this way. There are also other things that you can do with Pages, but hopefully this gets you started in the right direction.